everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today is my birthday. I am 31 today. Ugh, old. Anyway, today I am going to Puffing Billy with my partner. So we stayed at this beautiful Airbnb, so we're currently still staying there. I will be doing a full-on proper tour later when we get back, just because we're going to Puffing Billy and we have to get there at a certain time. So yeah, we'll save that for later. If you guys don't know, Puffing Billy is in the Dandenong Ranges. It's, I think, I believe it's an old coal mining train up in the mountains. So I'll show you guys a little bit more of that later. So we booked a tour. Oh, hello, sun. We booked a tour to basically go around the track and also visit their museum and also have morning tea. So I think we're going to have like scones, tea, that sort of stuff. So I'm really, really excited, and the Dandenongs is very, very pretty. Might get one of these. Hey guys, so we're now here at the platform. We're really early, which is good. We've been allocated our carriage, so because of COVID obviously there's social distancing, so I think our carriage is like at the back, like carriage U, but this is what it looks like. It is so cool, it's so cute, and I have been on this before, but still it's always very magical being here. So when you book your trip, you can pretty much choose any package that you want, and this particular package that we chose had a museum tour. So it's a sort of like a free walking tour, so you can kind of just wander around by yourself, but there's staff around that will show you around and also give you a bit of information about the trains as well. So the tour is roughly an hour or so, and then you also have morning tea. I didn't show that, but yeah, that was an amazing little trip. Hey guys, so we are back at the Airbnb, and it was such a lovely experience. Like I said, I've been on it before, but it's a little bit different this time. I think it's because, you know, it wasn't really like rushing or anything, and my partner did say that I had the biggest grin when I got off the train, so yeah, I suppose that that is a very accurate representation. Wow, this is the first time I've heard a helicopter during the day. Last night we had helicopters flying overhead. I think it was like around 12. My partner was saying they probably live around the area, but I don't know. Anyway, so again, back at the Airbnb, and now I'm going to give you guys a bit of a tour. So I took some footage yesterday before we unpacked everything and, you know, got everything messy because, yeah, we slept in it. This is definitely one of the most picturesque Airbnbs I've ever been to. So as described on Airbnb's website or the listing, it's a couple's retreat, and as you guys can see, it's a converted barn, and a lot of the furniture is quite old. I'd like to say these are actually antiques, probably from their own family, like the owner's family, but it's definitely got all of the necessities that you need for a short stay. If you guys are going to be visiting the Dandenongs and you guys would like to book this Airbnb, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below for the listing itself. And this Airbnb, I would have to say, is definitely more suited to a couple. I don't think, yeah, I think this is definitely just more for a couple because there's only like one bed, and there isn't a washing machine here. So definitely just for maybe a short trip. I think you can probably find places that you can drive to for like laundries and stuff like that, but I think it's just perfect for a quick retreat here in the Dandenongs. But yeah, anyway, we stopped by Woolworths as well on the way back here, grabbed a couple of snacks. There's a couple of interesting snacks that I picked up that I haven't seen before, and I also think it's time for some coffee. Okay, before I show you guys what we got from Woolies, I just wanted to show you guys some of the souvenirs that we got. So we got a fridge magnet. So this one was only $8.99. Says Puffing Billy Railway. Very, very cute. Has a koala and a kangaroo on it. And then I wanted to grab one of these, like these old school metal teacups. Yeah. So this one was only $8.99 as well. So you guys can hear, it's like metal. So Really cool. And this is what I was talking about, that we got from Woolies that was new. So this is from Red Rock Deli. So I got the cheddar and parmesan deli style crackers, and then we also have the sweet chili and sour. Now I believe they also come in their crisps as well. And then just a couple of snacks as well, because it's my birthday. I kind of want to snack all day. So I got some shapes. I've got the pizza and chicken crimpy flavor, and then Pringles. I didn't realize they had redesigned Pringles. It kind of looks almost kind of looks a bit retro, just dropping things. Alright, so did some washing as well. I also really like their little coffee cup things. I'm just going to dry that in a bit. But they also have these pod machines. So I'm going to make this one, the Espresso Milano one. So it says number 10, so it's quite strong. I'll make one for myself and also for my partner. Alright, so I've got the coffee. I think it's a bit too strong for my liking, but it will do. But this is the writing desk, and this is the view from the writing desk. It's so pretty. Like I said to my partner, it's almost like walking into Narnia in this place because it's so pretty. The only thing is that I think it's a bit creepy is that photo over there. It's like that's where I sleep, and yeah, we didn't make the bed, by the way. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go and check out this lookout point. I think it's called Woolwich Lookout. I'll put like a Google map thing as well down in the description box in case you guys want to check it out yourselves. And then we're gonna go check out this place for dinner. I think it's called I forgot now. I think it's Mango's Nut and Pizzeria. Yeah, it's a funny name, but I really want pasta for dinner. And that pretty much brings us to the end of the vlog. Sorry guys, I did not record an end or goodbye clip, so I'm just saying goodbye now during this voiceover. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I have a lot of like travel recommendation type videos on my other channel. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down in the description box down below, so you guys can check that out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.